I don't want
What?
it out. I want it in. No, I don't want it.
Oh, you want it in?
No, I don't need it.
All right, I'll take it back. All right, here we go.
Very well.
Got a factory.
Well, I can use it. That's
No, here, no. You are remarkable.
Thank you.
That was just marvelous. The fellows in the orchestra were standing up watching you.
They're great.
Yeah,
That's a great
well.
band.
What a joy to listen to you play.
Thank you.
Were you playing good tonight? That sounds like a dumb question. I mean,
Pretty well. I practiced a lot.
yeah?
I always do when I come on this show.
And you took your sneakers off, too, to perform tonight. You're sitting in makeup with sneakers on. I was reading the article in the magazine. What was that? Was that in People magazine?
Could be, yeah, I was in People.
Yeah, and it talked about you have become a lot more conscious lately. Because when you first came out, they were talking about your dress and your demeanor.
Yeah.
And you didn't pay too much attention to it.
Yeah.
Because you didn't really like to dress up.
Yeah, I didn't know that it could be fun also, you know.
Yeah.
And it is. It's nice to wear nice clothes. And I mean, it gets to the point where so many people have told me about my walk and stage presence, and you have to do something about the hair that I just didn't want to hear it anymore, so I went and did something about it after a while, you know.
Yeah, so
But now it's kind of nice, you know. I
Kinda like
go
to
to the
dress up.
hairdresser and I, you know, read and they futz around. It's nice.
Okay, we'll take a break. We'll be right back. Stay where you are.
Plastic pickle sure tastes.
Oh, I like that.